In today's video, we're going to be doing some burnt end hot dogs. A little different. Let's get to it. So here you have it. We have 5 of these hot dogs right here. We've done burnt ends with them where we chop them up, but this time we're not going to chop them up. So you'll see. Let's go ahead and get these ready. We're going to go ahead and give them a little cut. Just across like that. Like a little X. Same thing on the other side. And we'll do that to all of them. We'll be back. Alright, now that we have them like that, we're going to add some mustard as a binder. Now a little barbecue rub. Alright, there you have it. We're going to put these in our pit boss for 225. We're going to leave them for 1 hour and then we'll go for our next stage. That being said, let's go ahead and fire up our pit boss. Alright, our pit boss is up to temp 225. Here. And we will be back in 1 hour. Alright, they've been there for 1 hour. Oh yeah. They're looking good. We'll be back. Alright, we're back. So here is our next step. We're going to put these hot dogs in here. We're going to add some barbecue sauce. And some brown sugar. We're going to mix them well. And then we're going to put this back in our pit balls. We're not going to add a foil wrap or anything. It's going to be just like this. I'm going to raise up the temperature to 300 degrees. And then we'll leave it there for 30 minutes and come back and look at them. Alright, let's put it back in the pit balls. Alright, our pit balls is at 300. I'm going to put it over here and we'll be back in 30 minutes. Alright, it's been 30 minutes. Give them a turn. Man, they're looking good. Alright, so now what we're going to do, we're going to put them back in one of these. And then put them back in there. I'll say for another 15. Be back. Alright, they've been there for 15 minutes. Oh man, they look so good. There they are. We'll be back. Alright, so here you have it. And before we get into this, let's have a quick recap of what we did today. here we have our buns I'm going to be using. I am excited to try this. And then what we're going to add with this, the condiment, is just onions. That's it. So I'm going to grab this one right here. Look at that. And then some little diced onions. And that's all we need right there. Alright, so let's go ahead and give this a try and let's see how it came out. Oh mama. Oh my god. This is really good. Having those onions, because you don't need a lot. Just onions alone. I saw another video that they put onions and pickles. I think adding pickles will make it really good too. But just onions alone, this is all you need. Yeah, this is really good. This is definitely a must try. Give this a go. You guys will not be disappointed. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Make sure you subscribe, leave a like, and let me know what you guys think. Now we'll see you guys next time.